In this video, I'll show you how to install the 100% save game with all cars and content unlocked in Tokyo Xtreme Racer. Check my video description for the save. I click inside WinRAR and check to open with WinRAR and open this V3. Close stuff here and press in keyboard Windows key and R key together and type here percentage local app data percentage again and click on OK. Find Tokyo Xtreme Racer, saved save games, random numbers. Create a new folder on desktop and end up a game progress inside to take backup. Now drag and drop this save inside. Launch the game. Once you are in game, continue. You can able to see how much money we have, max amount of money. Now press the escape key and go to dealer. Buy the car you like. Now you can enjoy the game, guys. I hope this video helped you. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.